Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you today?
Yeah, your product made me shrink.
The product made you shrink?
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
No, I'm short now.
You're short now?
Yeah, like, what's up with that?
What product did you take, please?
It was the, protein shake.
How long did you take it for?
Uh, I think a couple months.
Okay. Which of the protein shake was this?
The chocolate one.
What's the name of it?
Uh, I don't know. I threw it away because I used to be 40 feet. Now I'm about like 5'11" now. And so I just tossed it out. I'm like, oh no, this is not working out. But it was the chocolate one. It was the improved flavor.
The whey protein?
Yeah, that one.
And can you give me an idea of how long you took the product?
How many days are in a month?
30 days of average.
Yeah, probably 30 days. Yeah, it's just crazy. It used to be like 40 feet. Now I'm like 5'11". Go figure.
And you were how tall were you?
40?
40 feet?
Yeah,
And how tall are you now?
5'11".
Oh, okay. And what I'd like to do is have you speak to one of our quality coordinators.
Are you gonna give me a number or just transfer me?
I'm going to transfer you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, may I have your full name and telephone number, sir?
Yes, Optimus Prime, and my number is 531-1026.
You said 531.
1026. Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime.
Yes.
Please spell your last name for me.
Prime. Prime.
Okay, and what's your area code, please?
916.
916?
Yes. On Cybertron.
How's that?
916.
Okay. May I place in a brief hold, Mr. Prime?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yes, I'm going to be transferring you over to a quality coordinator. His name is Zach, and he will assist you further.
okay.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Zach, right?
Correct, I'm Zach.
Alright, so, I have one of your protein shakes, the chocolate one.
Okay.
And it made me shrink in size.
Did you shrink in size, you said?
Yes.
Okay. Which chocolate one do you have there? Which product is it?
Well, I threw it out like I was telling the last lady, but it was, I think she said whey protein. Was that it?
What did it look like?
It was brown powder. It was like in a cylinder. I'm sorry?
What did the actual outer packaging look like?
It was purple and white.
Was it like a big container or a small?
It was big.
And you think it was 100% whey protein?
I think so.
Okay. Okay, so you said you used it for 30 days, is that right?
Yeah, about a month.
Okay. And what do you mean by it made you shrink?
I'm shorter now. Oh, and also I have like fleshy skin.
So you said you have fleshy skin?
Yeah, it's like baby soft now.
And how much did you shrink over those 30 days?
Let's see, about 40 feet, 5'11", so, 30, like a 30 feet difference. 30 foot, I'm sorry.
Okay. And what did you say your name was? Sorry.
Optimus Prime?
Okay. Where did you purchase the product from?
Target.
Okay. Is there seriously anything I can help you out with, or do you have a real question?
Uh, no, I think that's it.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.